Thank you for purchasing our product. We hope this video will be helpful for your installation. Before you begin the installation, please prepare the following installation tools. Please place the furniture packaging box as indicated by the arrow, and gently cut the tape with a utility knife to avoid scratching the boards. Classify the boards by type and order of use and handle them with care. Find out the no, a 1 no, a 2 no, a 3 no, a 4 no, a 5 and no, a 6 boards. Assemble the 6 boards together using 12 number 2 hardwares. Find B1, B2, to B3, to B4, to B5, B6, and B7 parts. Fix parts B4 and B5 in the position shown in the video using number 3 hardware. Fix parts B6 and B7 in the position shown in the video using number 3 hardware. Fix parts B1 and B2 in the position shown in the video using number 3 hardware. Fix the to B3 components in the positions shown in the video using number 13 and number 14 hardware. Find out for B9 and B10 parts. Fix the 4B10 parts in the positions shown in the video using number 4 hardwares. Paste parts B9 onto B10. Fix part B8 in the position shown in the video using hardware number 5 and number 6. Fix part C1 in the position shown in the video using hardware number 9. Find out the D1 and E1 parts. Fix components D1 and E1 using number 10 hardware. Find out for E2 parts. Fix component E2 in the position shown in the video, using hardware number 1, number 12, and number 13. Fix part F1 in the position shown in the video using hardware number 11, number 12, and number 13. Find out to G1 and H1 parts. Fix 2 part G1 as shown in the video. Fix part H1 in the position shown in the video using to part H2. Fix part H1 in the position shown in the video using to part H2. Freely combine according to exercise requirements. Find out the J2, J3, and J4 parts. Fix components J2 and J3 in the position shown in the video using hardware J4. Find out to J1 to K1 and to K2. Fix part J1 as shown in the video. Fix part K1 as shown in the video. Fix component K2 in the position shown in the video using number 8 hardware. Find out to part 01. Fix part 01 as shown in the video. Find out the part P1 and P2. Find out the part Q1. Before storing, first remove these parts and ensure the carriage D1 is at the front frame of 4 and a 5. Thank you for your trust and purchase. If you have any questions about assembly, please feel free to contact us.